Hi, this is Grace with WTI. I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite products to use when you're crunched for time, but you still want to enhance your natural waves. So this is the Air Dry Foam from OUAI Haircare, and it has a beautiful floral scent. Its ingredients include protein extracts that really help condition and protect your hair. So it's a very nice and light foamy mousse. It's not as thick as other conventional mousses, and this really helps give your waves a nice soft feeling without it feeling crunchy. It helps eliminate frizz and just adds a little bit of shine. Usually I start with 3 pumps and then I just rake through my hair and scrunch. It can be used on wet or damp hair, and it just helps enhance your natural waves and give it a nice beachy look. Hope you love this product just as much as I do, and that's just my point of view.